Jehovah carry me, they go, they go, they go. Carry me, they go. Jehovah carry me, they go, they go, they go. Hey. Carry me, they go. Jehovah carry me, they go, they go, they go.
Hey guys, so I recently gave out this praise bass line to my private student, okay, and today we'll be looking at the same song and I'll be giving you two hot bass line you can use at this same song, okay. If you haven't heard a song before, just go with the progression, and when you find this same progression out there in your own local song, you can start using this same praise bass line, okay. But before we start the lesson, if you're new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and also share this video to your friends. I also do private class lessons, so if you're interested, you see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link, it will take you direct to my WhatsApp, okay. So guys, grab your bass and let's begin with the tutorial. Okay, so before we start the breakdown, let's understand the song. That's the progression, okay. It was played on key A, so according to the progression I played, carry me there go, da 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 da. 1 6 2 5 1. Okay, so carry me there go, da 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 da. So now let's look at the groove. So from your 1 to your 6, 1, a 2 ghost note, 5 6. Okay, 5 6. Then you play your 1, then 2 4. Okay, so your 2, you play it like 1 2 3 4 5. So that is, you play your 2 4 note before you play your 4. You understand? I hope you're getting it. So do, so la, do, re 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 fa. You understand? Okay, so carry me there go. You understand? Da 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 da. So you can go along with the voice. Da. So on your 7, you do a ghost note 2 times. 7 2 7 1. I hope you get it. Okay, so you understand? Okay, so carry me there go. You understand? So just practice with this, okay. So the second one, if you don't want to play your 1, so carry me there go, go. Instead of you play, you can just do it straightforward. 1 5 5 sharp and your 6. So you pluck the 5 2 times. You understand? Okay, so 1 da 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 da. Then the same process to your 2. You understand? So get these 2 idea. You understand? Okay, now you want to end it, then you go back to the first one. You understand? So the first one, when you want to end it, so now this second one goes like this. You understand? So fa mi re 4 3 2 7 2 7 1. So how you descend, starting from your 4, So you pluck on your 4, you hammer or pull off back to your 3. You understand? Then 3 7 3 7 1 1. Then you continue with the first one. You see the 2 vibe, you understand? So da 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 da. So 7 2 7 1 1. That is your octave and your root. You understand? Okay. So the last one, when you want to end, you understand? So carry me there, go. You understand? So it goes like this. 5 5 5 3 5 5 5 5 3 5. That is so mi so. Okay. Sol toto sol la la. Okay, that is 5 7 flat, 5 6 6 5 4 3 5 2 3. Okay, you understand? So da, 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 da. Then 2 3. So here will be confusing if you are starting this. So this is how I'll do it. So when you play your 5 using your little finger, then use your 3rd finger to play your 2. You understand? So you understand? 3 5 2. Then you play your 3. You understand? Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Then you can continue the groove. Okay. So now let's look at the second bass line.
Carry me, carry me, carry me, carry me, carry me, carry me. Carry me, they go. Jehovah, carry me, they go, they go, they go.
So the progression goes like this: 1 1 5 2 1 5 1 1 5 2 1 5 1. Okay, 5 1. You understand? So you can see that I'm using my 1 here and I have my 1 here. You understand? That is the same A. You understand? Okay, so here you need to be very fast. You understand? So and you have to slide too. So you have that on your 12th fret. You count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 3rd string, 12th fret, 3rd string, your A and your octave. Okay, so root and octave, root and octave, root and octave, 1 1 1 1. Okay, so it goes like this: 1 5 1 do so do, 1 1 1 1 1 1. That is your do do so 2 6 2. You understand? Okay, so I think at this area here you'll be playing it something like that, and here you'll be doing the sliding. That is your root and octave. So I want you to understand here. You understand? So do so do so re la re do so, then back to your do so do. Mine sound different from this. Okay, so let me show you the trick over here. So you do it this way: do so do, 3 ghost notes, then you have to be fast and slide to your 1 over here. 1 5 1 1 1. Then here I played the 3rd string freely, then hammer on my 5 and 5 octave. So then your 2, that is re la re, then you do that same thing you understand. Okay, so you just need to take time, slide, open string, hammer on your 5 root and octave, then your groove 2 6 2, ghost note, slide, the same process. You understand. Okay, so that is the main groove, the first one and the second one. So I think these are the few 2 bass line I can give to you. I have more on this same progression, so you can hit me privately on WhatsApp and I'll give you more and more. Okay, because I think I gave 2 bass line of this same song to my private student. Okay, so guys, I'll be seeing you this Friday or maybe Saturday, okay, this week. Okay, so wish you luck in your lesson. Bye for now.